Oh yes, hello. My name is Jerry again from Team Worker at MPO at ito ang ating video tutorial for today kung paano tayo mag-purchase ng code at paano natin makukuha ang ating code. For example, ikaw ang member, ikaw ang nagbayad or ikaw ang nagpay sa bank or sa remittance centers, kailangan natin magkaroon ng receipt. Okay, o yung ating official receipt. Kung sa bangko ka nag-payment or nagbayad, kailangan mo magkaroon ng bank transaction receipt. Or kung sa mga remittance centers naman, ayun yung ating mga reference number. Okay, so to begin, we have to click or to log in sa ating account. Then click login. Okay, so this is your dashboard. Now, click sa purchase. And then, on your right side, okay, on your right side, we have the payment form. So, kung sa bangko ka nagpadala or sa mga remittance centers, kailangan, sabi ko kanina, meron tayong receipt or reference number. We have two options, the 1,500 premium and the 688 regular payment form. Dito sa 1.5, ito yung merong PTC or yung pay to click program. And sa kabila naman, yung regular payment form o yung wala tayong pay to click. For example, nag-payment ka ng one account with PTC. So, on your payment sent through, pipiliin mo lang kung saan mo pinadala. For example, Union Bank. And then, how much? Click 1,500 kung one account. And then, date sent. Okay, for example, January 20, 2014. And then time sent, let's say 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So that's 5 p.m. Now, reference number, do not include spaces and punctuation if you are paid or if you paid sa mga remittance centers. Okay, example, tracking number, MCTN or MTCN. This is a number from Western Union. Okay, so hindi nyo na ito i-fill up kung kayo ay bank, kung sa bank kayo nagpay. And then you have to fill this up for courier or remittance centers. Kung ikaw ay remittance centers, nagbayad, kung Western Union, LBC, etc. And then, kung sa bank deposits naman, so kung sino yung name o kung sinong name na nagpadala. Okay, for example, ako nagpadala, okay, then bank, branch, or origin. Let's say, Batangas. Okay, and then your name. And then, click submit. Okay, now, hindi ko siya i-click or isa-submit. Okay, so nag-click lang ako, let's pretend na meron tayong payment na ganito. And then, click submit. Now, once you submitted your payment, ipaprocess yan ng MPO management or ni Ma'am Jenny. You can also send her PM just to remind her na nagpadala kayo ng payment. So, just make sure na ipadala nyo ang inyong username. Sabihin nyo sa kanya, Ma'am, this is my username. I sent you, like, let's say, 1,500 for my one account, blah, blah, blah. Okay? And then, once she replied, let's say, okay, or process, you can proceed, go to your My Codes. Okay? So, magla-log out ka, and then click login ulit. Once you go back, click My Codes. Then, makikita mo dito yung mga codes na ipinadala sa'yo. Okay? So, ngayon, ito yung gagamitin mo, activation code, ito yung security codes. Okay? So, these are my transactions made from through these online purchases of my codes. Okay? So, ganun lang kadali ang pagpa-purchase at pagkuha ng codes. So, kailangan lang natin magkaroon ng bank or remittance transaction details. Okay? So, we don't need to PM our receipt. We don't need to take a picture and send it to MPO office just to remind them that we paid for, say, one account or multiple accounts. So, just log into your account, go to purchase, and then click on the specific details for your payment, and then submit, and then wait for the verification from the MPO office. go back to your account, log in again, and check my codes. Then, that's it. Very easy. Okay, so ganun lang po kadali ang pag-purchase natin ng ating codes at paano natin makukuha ang ating codes. Okay, so for your other information or other questions, you can send me private message, and I'm glad to answer all your questions or inquiries. Okay, thank you, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.